Did you know that the average American eats nearly 300 eggs per year? That's about 1 egg daily. With eggs being a staple in many diets, recent studies have shown conflicting results about their health effects, leaving many to wonder, are eggs a healthy choice or a hidden risk? Welcome, Wellness Watchers. Today, we're cracking open the truth about eating eggs daily. Eggs are among the most popular foods across the world. From breakfast staples to versatile ingredients in countless recipes, they are often considered a nutritional powerhouse. But what about the claims that eating eggs daily could raise cholesterol levels or increase the risk of heart disease? In this video, we'll look closely at the science behind eggs, the debates surrounding their health benefits, and what recent research has to say. Eggs have long been a source of controversy in the health world. On one hand, they are praised for their rich protein content and essential nutrients. On the other hand, they are often criticized for their cholesterol levels, with some experts warning against daily consumption. The big question many people ask is, can eating eggs daily negatively affect your heart health? Are the potential risks worth the benefits? So let's dive into the heart of this debate and separate fact from fiction. First, let's talk about what makes eggs so nutritious. One large egg contains around 6 grams of high-quality protein essential for muscle repair and immune function. Eggs are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and choline, which support brain health. But eggs are also high in dietary cholesterol, with one egg containing about 186 milligrams, more than half of the recommended daily intake. This has led to long-standing concerns about whether eating eggs raises cholesterol levels in the blood and increases the risk of heart disease. However, it is important to know that cholesterol from food does not always directly translate into higher blood cholesterol levels for everyone. For most people, saturated and trans fats are the biggest culprits that raise cholesterol. Several studies, including research from Harvard Medical School of Medicine and the American Heart Association, suggest that moderate egg consumption, about 1 egg per day, is not associated with an increased risk of heart disease for most people. Eggs may even benefit HDL, the good cholesterol, helping to remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream. Here is the surprising twist. A study published in 2020 by Harvard University revealed that eating 1 egg per day by most healthy adults does not raise heart disease risk. Also, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet, especially when combined with other nutritious foods like vegetables and whole grains. However, the research noted that individuals with certain health conditions, such as diabetes or a genetic predisposition to high cholesterol, should be cautious about their egg consumption. This finding discredits the long-held assumption that eating eggs every day is dangerous, and it shows that, for most people, the benefits far outweigh the risks. So, here's the bottom line on eating eggs every day. Eggs are nutrient-dense, offering high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. Eating 1 egg per day is not likely to increase the risk of heart disease for most people, and may benefit cholesterol levels. In conclusion, eggs are undeniably packed with nutrients that support various aspects of health, but their potential impact on cholesterol and heart disease is still under discussion. Eating 1 egg a day is likely fine for those in good health and may offer additional benefits. However, if you have pre-existing conditions like heart disease or diabetes, we suggest that you consult your healthcare professional or monitor your consumption more carefully. Ultimately, moderation is key. Enjoying eggs as part of a balanced diet is the best way to maximize their benefits while minimizing the risks. Thanks for watching this video. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on eating eggs daily? Do you love them or avoid them? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, we ask that you check out our other nutrition videos for more science-backed insights. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay well.